sensibility, and practicality define the 2008 Nissan Altima. This two-door, five-passenger coupe has not yet reached the 150,000-kilometer mark. Nissan made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Nissan are offered, including leather upholstery, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, and cruise control. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.